money to tell me what to wear or how to dress. But today, so things have changed. So I don't know what's in store, but I'm very excited to see what's coming up. And I'm sure it's going to be wonderful for all of us.
So I've been working on this thing which I think hopefully we'll see the day of light sooner or later. It's the aggregation of the event. So that is an interesting thing which requires a lot of time, effort, planning, etc. But at the end of the day, all you need to do is download an app and get married. Something on those lines, and you have wedding planners, everybody listed, and panel, select the best people, select your best vendors, and get married, or celebrate your birthday party or whatever. So something on those lines.
Yes, it is very exciting while the resources are plenty. But I remember when I have two daughters. When my daughters were young, we said, when the others older nephews were getting married. I think by the time my daughter gets a chance, I think it's going to be very simple. The weddings are going to be not 5 days, 3 days. It's going to be very simple. It's only gotten bigger and bigger, more complicated, and more visual for others to see what you're doing. So it is very, very crucial that we have trusted people for us to help us through this process, because we are as clients getting lot of information. We are overloaded, not only from the people around us but with the digital world as well, and we are overwhelmed. And it will be helpful to have a trusted aide next to you to get those resources and tell you, and that I'll help you through this, and give us the right direction. It is the need of the day, and I really like to appreciate Meena for taking up this, and I'm sure you will make many clients' lives easier. Thank you. I would throw open for 3-4 questions and answers for the panelists from the audience.